In this today's exercise, we will learn about how to create a solid swept cut on a sphere. First of all, we'll draw one sphere. To draw a sphere, first of all select front plane and sketch. Here, select a center point circle. Select the center point. Give a diameter of 80 mm. Select OK. Select a center line from here. Draw one center line from this point to over here. Right click and select OK. Now select trim entities, select power trim and trim this portion. Select OK. Now go to features and select revolved boss base. Select yes. Our sphere is now ready, so select OK. Now we have to create one reference plane in the front plane direction. To create a reference plane, select from your reference geometry and plane. To give a first reference, from here, select front plane. Offset it at a distance of 20 mm. Select OK. Select here plane and sketch. Select convert entities. Select this outer edge of sphere. It's choosing face. Let's clear this selection again. Choose over here. Let's see the silhouette edge is now created. So select OK. You can see that the circle is now converted. So again go to features and select helix and spiral from the curves. Over here, give a pitch of 80 mm and revolutions of 0.75 mm. The starting angle will be 180 degrees. This is OK. So now select here OK. Now we'll create one reference plane. So select reference plane. Select this line and select this point. Select OK. Now our plane is ready. So select this plane and sketch. Over here, first select one center line. Draw one center line from this point straight as it is. OK. Select it. Now select this point and by pressing Ctrl select this helix also. Now here select make pierce. OK. Now from here select a center rectangle. Select this point. Make a rectangle of 5 mm by 16 mm. Select OK. Again go to features, select revolved boss base. From here sketch, select in contour, select the sketch. For the axis of revolutions, give this line and select OK. You can see our solid body is now created. Let's hide this plane first. So select this plane, hide. Now go to swept cut, select from here solid profile, select from here this profile as it is selecting whole, so let's cancel it first. Go to revolve 2 and edit this. From here uncheck the merge results and select OK. Again go to swept cut, solid profile, select this body, select this curve and select OK. Let's hide this helix first. Select this helix and hide it. So that's all in this tutorial. I hope you like it. If you like this tutorial and you think that you have got some knowledge from this tutorial, just don't forget to subscribe us and don't forget to hit this like button. Thanks for watching.